Okay, this is the control panel for the AquaLink that we're talking about. This is the GFI box, and I open this and there's a test and reset there. On this GFI I hit the reset, and then I did a test and reset, and vice versa, and I stuck an electrical probe here and there, and it's not reading anything. I mean, there's no 120 volts or anything, so it looks like there's no power to this GFI, that strip that you're talking about in your email. So there's no power there. See, as you could see, we go here to the front. This is the GFI that you're talking about, and that's connected here. And the wires here go to this. The wires here. This is the breakers inside the panel. As you could see, the wire to the GFI, this GFI goes here to this. I think there's 4 relays, and this relay on the top here is connected to the filter pump. And I stuck a probe there. And there's no voltage at all, even with the filter pump on, and it's at the service mode, and the filter pump on. There's no power there. Okay, so as you could see right now, we're in service mode, and filter pump being on, but there's still no power. So I think you were dead on. I think you're hitting it. Your comment is making sense here, because there's no power to that GFI. There's no power to this GFI, and so that relay, there's no power there. So even if this the filter pump is on, no, the filter pump button is on and at service mode. Take note though that when I press the filter pump button on, I could hear I think I could hear the relay click, but it doesn't turn the filter pump on, because there's no power to the filter pump. All these wires here at the bottom, this wire here, this group of wires here, it goes straight to the back of the filter pump, and I measure the power too at the back of the filter pump, and which is here. I took this out, and there's 2 wires there, and I stuck a probe. There's no power there, so there's no power going into the pump. That's why it won't come on. And so I think the source of the problem is in the control panel. First of all, I think I need to get the like you suggested, I need to work on the GFI, why it's tripped, and I reset the main breaker in the house. There's a main breaker at the side of the house. It's a power disconnect, so I disconnected it briefly and turned it back on in the hopes that it will reset the breaker. But for some reason, the breaker, it's still there's no power in that breaker after I measured both the top and bottom outlet. So like you said, this might be an easy problem for you, but for a guy like me, it's kind of challenging. So I would really appreciate it if you could give me some guidance. You don't know me, and I don't know you, so I really appreciate it if you could help me out. Thank you so much.